Chairman Camp Education Society, and all my dear faculty member, and all my beloved first year students, because they are very much on the, because their first question while taking admission, they are asking, sir, college will, when the college will start? It is online or offline? So I don't have any answer for during that time, but I surely can say you that now I got the answer, because even the situations are very nicely, because we are skipping the day 3 so far. That means not that we should be so casual. The protocol of COVID has to be followed in the campus, at your home, and where you go. So that says that you should keep on mask, cleaning a regular, sanitizing your hand, and maintaining a safe distance, because that's the major tool we can protect ourselves from the COVID. Because you never know, the chain can develop any time and the situation can be adverse, out of control. Because that's the feature we are seeing in the worldwide. So I think the first promise we should take, we should follow the COVID norms. Ground floor, we have already displayed in details. I think today you get a chance, while seeing the campus, you read that also, in which clearly everything has been mentioned. Okay? When you are traveling from the public transport, you should have precautions of your mask and taking care of maintaining a safe distance with your other traveler. These are the first things to be followed. Secondly, I must congratulate all of you for joining the hotel management. That's also the best institute. We are, for last 16 years, my dear, we are the best institute in, not in PCMC but in Pune, with respect to infra, faculty, placement, and we are the few out of 16, 4 colleges who got NAC graded. We are NAC graded. So this is our achievement. Even our placements, internal placements are superb. We are doing internship in India and abroad so nicely. As you wish, little bit of these 2 years, 2020 and this 21, we are facing little bit of placements and internship, because somewhere internships are not required, or maybe somewhere the placements are, hotels are opening up. But not to be worried. This is the department. When human beings are there on the earth, nobody can close the hotels. That's for sure. So remember, you should not thinking that why industry is closed, why do hotel management. My dear, everywhere. Once upon a time it was all go to computer. Now computer is stagnated. After that it was the biotechnology. Now it is the pharmacists and nurses are booming up this year. So this is how the society and requirements come up. Once upon a time it was the civil engineer when the India was developing. Now the civil engineering, you can say, is the list the people are asking for. So my dear, the educations never go in vain, provided that you are focused what exactly you want to do. Even some of the, now people are taking civil engineering, they are doing very nicely. They recruited by the top-notch companies. They are better civil engineers than the 20 years back. So it's not that everywhere the best brand, innovative brains are at required stages. So you have to decide and never to be in two minds. Like your friend has taken in pharmacy, you are thinking that I should also go for pharmacy, I should also go for nursing. Now it is a booming up. Never think of that. Once you are done hotel management, you focus to that. And every day you have to think what the industry requires. Our young team of faculties are very smart. They can always guide through all your doubts. If any doubts you have regarding, sometimes we think what I am doing, whether I am doing correctly or not. Because nobody in my family has done the hotel management. Even when I done, I am the only family member of all the government jobs engineers and doctors, I was the only person, and civil services, I was the person who first take the revenge for the overland. So always you have to be new that we are thinking that whether right choice, wrong choice, but you should always consult the right person. Sometimes it happens that in Duvida you contact the wrong person. Wrong person what the guide you, rather than guide you, misguide you. So that may be happen, my dear, I am telling you. For 1 year to settlement of this, you might be facing this problem. But you should never, if in spite of that also, if anything goes here and there, I am always open minded, my door to come. I will tell you that, what the right, what the wrong. But never got misguided by somebody else. Because those who fail, maybe some other people are not performed. If you not perform as per the industry requirement, who will ask you, my dear? Nobody. Yeah, I have seen the people who have passed out from IIT also, the best institution. They are going in job market, nobody asking them. So it's not matter what you study, from where you study. It also matter that during the course of study what you have learned. And this is all skillful job. Passing a degree and getting a skill on your hand is two different things. With the degree you have to get a skill, and what skill you acquired, if that you carry with the industry, my dear, that's the salute you are getting to from your industry with full of respect. So that is very, very important. And I think every day you have to interact with our young team to know that only what the industry required. For some of the examples, like your personality, of course your personality matter. Now if you are black, you cannot be fair. If you are fair, you cannot be black. But you can always harness your blacks looks good, your white looks good, with the good dress up, good tongue, the way you speak, the way you carry yourself, the way you present yourself, all these, my dear, matters. Maybe some people are from Marathi background, they learn in Marathi language, they find it a little bit, अरे यार माहिती नाही कसं इंग्लिशमध्ये होणार आहे काय पता नाही माझे तो मराठी मीडियम. डोंट थिंक ऑल दिस. जस्ट थिंक कि भाई ओके माझे तीन कमी है, मेरे को ये करना है. अगर दिस एटीट्यूड यू आर कीपिंग माय डियर, विद इन 6 months you will pick up all which you require, and after 2.5 years you will work out to become a trained hotel management person, and that's the hotel looking for. Always I have interacted with the GMs and directors. They are saying that, guys, sir, we are not getting the people trained as we have received for. Because of this lackness, some people are coming from degree, some people are not getting admission, just take hotel management. Some people are thinking that I have got my own hotel, why to study? I directly become managing director of my own hotel. These are wrong ideas, wrong perceptions. On this wrong perception, you cannot be a good hotelier. जितने भी अच्छे अच्छे hotelier हुए हैं, some other people are not lucky enough to get graduated from the hotel management college, but they learn their family business in style. But if the family business person get the technically qualified person, the family business boom 4 गुना 5 गुना बढ़ सकता है. That's the charisma in their education. So don't take it lightly. की that hotel management काय आहे, जेवण करायचे आहे, जेवण वाढायचे आहे. अरे जेवण करायचे नंतर कधी कधी काय पण आहे ती आपल्याला कळेल. आता 3 साल में तुम को पता चलेगा कि भाई other than making food and serving, there are many other skills are there which you have to learn, acquired, and then putting in the practice. And that is all over of the hotel management. And thank you, Sanjiti sir. He always, he's my mentor. Like how my young team is your mentor, my mentor is sir. He always guide. He's not done hotel management, but his vision, interactive in the industry people. He learned something, immediately he called me. Right sir, can we do this? Yes, we can. So you have to, that is called, my dear. If this is the will be there with you and our teacher, I think you will never look back. And that's we want. And that's the reason I'm talking to you directly today itself on the first day. Don't get fear with the corona. That is also a big See, many people have didn't turn up. नाही कसं जायचे आता गव्हर्नमेंट पण नाही सांगितलं सर सांगितले की या तुम्ही झाले करोना तर काय होणार आहे My dear is something because the second phase of March and April we lost many young people and that some kind of fears are there. Of course, keep fear in mind, but with your good work, with your boldness, with your fitness, because COVID has taught us to be fit. If you are fit, then COVID will come and COVID will go. पता भी नहीं चलेगा. तुम खाली क्वारंटाइन हो जाओगे, COVID चला जाएगा. If you are not fit, then COVID will show your effect. And that maybe never ask you to come back again. COVID will take you. So these are the things are there. You have to little bit work out as a professional. Now you are all 18 plus. You have full logic of thinking what is right, what is wrong. So far all your mom, dad has given you a helping hand, taking care of. Now you have to think of your own. We are now professional. From today itself, learning everything to become a better professionals, and that's the way the things go. All reputed institutes have opened up from today. Even my daughter left yesterday for Bhopal. I have a little bit of scary as a parents, you can think, but that is part and parcel, my dear. She is going to Bhopal. Some people are going to US for higher study. So take it that way. So if you want to do something in your life, these all things are not material. You have to think in that fashion by taking all kind of precautions. Okay? So once again, congratulations for joining the hotel management, especially joining to Camp Education Hotel Management. And you will find how we are different from other 15. There are total 16 colleges are there. Over the time you will come to know that how not only we speak but हम करके दिखाते हैं. We are unique with all others and doing the results in the terms of university result or in terms of your placement. Okay? So today after the session of induction, you have to meet all your faculty member. They will show you the lab. You have already got your timetable. From tomorrow, you have to follow the timetable and taking all precautions. You have to convince your parent. नाही इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये चांगल्या पद्धतीचे काळजी घेत आहेत, तुम्ही काळजी करू नका. These all you have to make the parents confident and you have to be confident. Then only things will change in our society and people will get bold up to take up a bold decision. So I will request this part to be done. Okay? And over the time as you settle down, we'll go for your uniform, we'll go for your books, we'll go for your communication skill session, personality development session. Maybe some visitors will come from industry to give your direct tips to you. And today our two guests are there. They are both HR manager, one from Gurgaon, one from Pune. They are coming to online to you to guide you. They are the people expert. They are recruiting the people. They will tell you on the first day itself what industry looking for. Before Corona, after Corona. Because now all your recruitment will be post-COVID. Post-COVID, many regulations, rules, recruitment policy, all has got changed. So I think these two beautiful ladies will be available to you to tell you that post-COVID what the changes are come to the industry and how what are the recruitment policies says, and by that if you are grooming yourself, my dear, I think you will be different from other, and of course when you are different from other, your placement will be also different from other in terms of position and money. Because ultimately goal is that also. You want a good placement, good salary, maybe in India, and after that you want to go abroad. That all dream can be fulfilled only when you will be serious from today itself, listening us. Okay, so all the best for your future career in this field, and thanks for joining the glamorous, most satisfying industry of hospitality, where we, with our action, with our tongue, with our what do you call skill. We try to reach the people who are away from the home and looking for a home. That is called hospitality. When you are at home, your mom is taken care of. But similar like your mom, when you are away home and you're going to Chandigarh, your mom is not there with you, but somebody there like your mom, that is called hotel, who take care of your similar like care as your mom take care at the hotel, and that is called hotel industry. Okay, so but these things you have to learn and you have to practice, and then you have to rule the world. Okay, so thank you for coming, especially because I was thinking that still a total altogether 76, I think hardly 50 people have come up. 25 people didn't turn up. So maybe they'll come later on the day or maybe tomorrow onward. But among you also, take care of properly about the protocol and best wishes for your good career. Any confidence, any problem, any confusions, you are most welcome directly to me. I will take care of your confusion. Okay? But there's no confusion, my dear. Once you decided, just work hard every day as per the industry. You have a rewarding career. So thank you. All the best.